Well, Jeff, according to a recent audit from the DCFS, there's been an 11% rise in child abuse and neglect rates from the years of 2015 to 2017. Well, now, multiple lawmakers, including Governor Pritzker, are taking a stand to protect the children who can't protect themselves.
These are the youngest, most at-risk children in our state. It is fundamentally a responsibility of the state to protect them.
Illinois Governor J.B. Pritzker highlighting the increasing need to provide adequate care to kids in the foster system. According to recent findings, a 5-year-old was found dead in a Chicago suburb in late April. Yet, he doesn't blame the caseworkers for tragedies like these.
These caseworkers, vast majority, I'm talking 99% of them, are doing everything that they possibly can to protect these children.
I think that a lot of people who choose social work feel like social work chose them.
That's Dr. Sarah Biela, graduate program director for the School of Social Work at SIUC. I asked her what the problem is if it's not the caseworkers.
I think the problem is we don't have crystal balls. It's so hard to be able to predict which situation, which foster family, which child is going to be the next one.
She says a lot can slip through the cracks for these people.
I have a good friend who worked at DCFS for 30 years, and he said often the cases where there was a child death were not the cases they were paying attention to.
Dr. Biela says her students go off and shadow social workers for final projects. What they and other professors in her department tell her explains why it can be hard to pay attention.
I heard this over and over again. I heard it from my friend who worked there. I heard it from my director. I heard it from the students. They need more staff.
Governor Pritzker says he's heard that as well and points out he's already said he wants to add 126 new DCFS caseworkers in the state.
There's nothing more they can do, so we've got to make sure we make changes within the agency.
One change proposed by state lawmakers: continue to audit 5% of cases where not enough evidence was found to prove neglect.
I mean, it doesn't sound like it would hurt. It sounds like it would take more time and staff. And we keep coming back to that, don't we?
Now, Governor Pritzker said he's already asked the University of Chicago's Chapin Hall and his new head of DCFS to brainstorm recommendations to fix the system. He said their findings will be going public next week. Live in the Southern Illinois newsroom, Taylor Clark, Heartland News.